Today is my copycat version of Ridgewood BBQ's blue cheese dressing. What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out my channel and watching a video. Today, it is a beautiful day in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. The temperature is 61 degrees outside. It's the first really cool front we've had this year since a horrible year with this Hurricane Ida and everything like that. Nah, it's been a bad year. But anyway, today is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to make blue cheese dressing. So this is my take on the blue cheese recipe from Ridgewood BBQ in Bluff City, Tennessee. The recipe, now nobody knows the real recipe per se, exactly like they do it. This is my take on it. Their recipe is supposedly a secret, much like their barbecue sauce. If you're ever in that area, if you ever go to Bristol for one of the NASCAR races, go eat at Ridgewood BBQ. You won't be sorry. It is so good. They barbecue, they smoke these hams that they get from Bristol. They smoke them for like so many hours, and then they put the sauce on it and they reheat it. I believe they heat it on a griddle. It's really good, but this blue cheese will rewrite history. I think it's amazing. If you've never had good blue cheese, like the kind you make yourself, these kinds that come in bottles, not good blue cheese. This stuff is so good. It's got chunks of blue cheese, sour cream, buttermilk. Give this one a try. It will change the way you look at blue cheese. But now here's the thing. Ridgewood doesn't serve it on a salad, a wedge of lettuce, or anything like that. They serve a bowl of blue cheese dressing with saltine crackers. That's it. You take your crackers, nom, nom, nom. I'm telling you, it's crazy. It is so good. I actually like it probably better than I like the barbecue, which is some of the best barbecue I've ever had. Anyway, try the recipe. Tell me what you think. See if it's close to your memory of Ridgewood's blue cheese dressing. If it is, let me know. If it's not, if I'm way off, then put that down there below. I'd love to know. Even if it isn't close to theirs, it's really good blue cheese dressing. You guys give it a try and tell me what you think. All right, guys, we're going to start with 4 ounces of blue cheese. You can buy it pre-crumbled. I don't like it. It seems like it loses its flavor. It may just be in my head. You know, I use the block of blue cheese, and you're just going to crumble it into smallish pieces. Easy to crumble. Makes your fingers really gross. Smells like blue cheese. I could totally see why people think this stinks, but I think it smells good. All right, wash our hands. Into our crumbled blue cheese, we are going to add 1/2 a cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayo, not salad dressing, but mayo, 1/4 of a cup of buttermilk. You may need a little more depending on how thick it is. If you like it thinner, you can put more. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. In your seasoning, you're gonna have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt. I use Lowry's. Some of the recipes online call for fresh garlic and fresh onion. I've tried that before. I thought it overpowered the blue cheese to be fresh. I like the powdered kind better. Pour that in. Now we're just going to stir all of this together till it mixes. You don't want to eat this right away. You want to store this in the fridge for a few hours to let all these flavors come together, let the garlic and the onions rehydrate. See, that texture is great for me. That's perfect. I always put a little bit of black pepper at the end, and I like the chunky kind for this. We're gonna put this in the fridge for a few hours, and then we're gonna give it a taste test. All right, guys, taste time. Will confess right up front, I did make a mistake on this. I write like a serial killer, so it was like, I thought it was tablespoons of lemon juice. It's supposed to be 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So I'm gonna give it a taste test. I've made it before the correct way with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and it's amazing. Let's see what it tastes like with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It's probably still gonna be delicious. So that's what it looks like. Big ol' honk of blue cheese. You can smell the blue cheese. You can smell the onion powder and the garlic powder. Didn't hurt at all. I so remember sitting at a booth at the Ridgewood BBQ eating blue cheese with a friend of mine. Yes, indeed. You guys, see now I can't stop. I'm eating more of it. All day, snacking on this. Look at that big hunk of blue cheese. Anyway, you guys give it a try. Tell me what you think. Enjoy the recipe. If you have any questions or comments, put it down below. Don't forget 2 teaspoons, not tablespoons of lemon juice. Otherwise, have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. You guys have a good week and be safe out there.